Hi Boilermakers, we hope you're enjoying your summer. We're here outside a quiet MSEE with what you need to know right now from Purdue University. We are less than a week away from the official Purdue University in Indianapolis inauguration. You're invited to paint the town gold with Purdue as we dedicate our new campus in Indy. Come down to Monument Circle downtown from 3 to 5 p.m. on June 27th to celebrate with special guest speakers, Purdue-themed refreshments, and complimentary merch. With the U.S. housing market in crisis, Purdue researchers are developing the next generation of factory-built housing. Next House is a strategy to enable economies of scale through standardizing the manufacturing and assembly of modular elements. Researchers want assembling a home to be as simple and customizable as assembling Legos. A large prototyping and testing facility will be constructed on campus. After more than 17 years as dean and 25 years of service to Purdue, College of Veterinary Medicine Dean Willie Reid will step down July 1st. To honor the pioneering dean, the Board of Trustees announced Purdue's Animal Disease Diagnostic Laboratory will be renamed after him. More on his legacy in the latest episode of This is Purdue podcast. Congratulations to Boilermaker Jeopardy champion Adriana Harmeyer. The Purdue archivist finished off an impressive 16-day winning streak to move into the number 13 rank of all-time winnings on the show. You'll see her again on the Tournament of Champions next year. Have a great week, and as always, Boiler up!